Welcome to the cooking show. Hey, man, I'm gonna go do some holiday cooking, and this is gonna be traditional. This is not the last video of the year. I want to let y'all know this is not the last video. I'm gonna do another video before the end of the year. I got a real special video. I'm gonna show y'all how to do a real party. It's gonna set the party off. You make this here. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. But I'm gonna go and cook because I got the kids coming over and I wanna cook for them, and I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking. And this is gonna be a quick video to show you what I'm cooking. And then, on the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Man, you're gonna love it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Ooh, there we go, Cooking General. Hey man, I hope y'all having a good holiday. Man, cause I'm doing a little something too, you know what I'm saying? Family coming over, and they already eating my food half the time, man, before I even get started. Come in, let me show you what they already. Look at that, my lemon cake. They can already eat part of that there. You know what I'm saying? Got this here, you know. I gotta do that a little bit later, you know. But so I made me a peach cobbler right there. And right now I'm doing my ham. And this here is my special sauce. It's got a little bit of everything in it, you know what I'm saying? It's got my butter. It's got my brown sugar. It's got my honey. And I'm gonna drizzle it on my ham. I'm finna bake this booger. And man, you talking about here, it's gonna be good and golden. And man, this honey sauce here, just give it a real good flavor to it. And I'm gonna have to show y'all how to put this together one day too. Man, you talking about good, man. Let's get this sealed. We're gonna put this in the oven. I want to see, you want to just drench it really good. Let it work its way in there. And see, that honey helps stick to it. And then you cover with the foil because you want to keep that moisture in it. That way the seal won't get so hard and crusty. A lot of people put the oven, don't put your oven on too high. You know what I'm saying? Because I already pre-baked this here. And so it's about ready. So you really want this here just to marinate it and coat it and just really get into there. And then I also poke little holes in my ham. And that way it really gets off in there and the flavor really get in there. And like you say, do not turn the heat up really high on it. And cover it with foil. It keeps that moisture in there. And it keeps it real good. And you really don't have to even turn it. As long as you keep your temperature about around, I'll say about around 200. We're gonna put this in the oven. And man, kids love my ham. I'm finna do a turkey too. Well, I'm finna do this thing right and real. Holiday spirits, man. Oh, Cooking General, man. Let's get ready to do this here. Put it in the oven, boys. Hey, y'all have a good, happy holiday. I'll still be doing this cooking and stuff, man. But I just want to show you I'm doing my little thing too. Hey, Cooking General, happy holidays. Ask somebody. Oh, here we go. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Hey, now I'm finna take the white Honda and I'm finna take it out. So stay to the end of this video. And if y'all stay to the end of this video, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna see, I'm gonna take this out and you're gonna see what I come back in. Man, I got stuff to do, man. Cooking General, ask somebody. Ooh, man, look at that. That crispy fried catfish. Look at that. And I done it in a dry batter with all my seasonings, which is gonna be a secret for now. But man, and I got it frying. All right, Cooking General. Oh man, don't we just like these holidays coming up? Alrighty. Well, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, let's go on and get here and get this cooking finished. Hey, but anyway, you know what I'm saying? There we go. Now, there we go, right there. See, that's a little garlic, butter, parsley flakes. Now, I smoked my turkey yesterday. I had it on a pit, got it smoked, and it's got the real good smoke on it right there. Got it seasoned. Now, I stuffed just a half stick of butter in there, but I'm gonna drench it with this sear. I'm gonna get ready to bake it now. You probably say, why are you smoking and baking? Now, I was baking it just to warm it up. And it's stuffed there. I got onions, I got celery. Man, you talking about gonna be good here. And see there, that's what you call smoked to perfection. And when I put this on there, oh boy, it's gonna be on. Cooking General. What's up, y'all? Cooking General here, you know what I'm saying? Boy, I'm finna do this thing big. Finna do it big time, right now. But first, I got something I gotta take care of. Ask somebody. All right, hey man. Now, since y'all see my new present, you know what I'm saying, my mother, she like, man, let me drive the car, so I'm gonna let her drive for a little bit. But, you know, I had to get something to do something myself, so y'all have a happy holiday. But you know, I got to rub it in one time on one person. I got to rub it on one person. I'm gonna go right now, because I know where they at. They at a party. Go into my kid's mother and see how she like me now. I'm gonna tell her to ask somebody.
Are y'all ready? No.
It's your turn. All right. That's what I want.